This video walks you through how to import your Vanguard 1099 to TurboTax. Begin by signing in to your TurboTax account. Once you are on the main screen, look for the Federal section. Inside Federal, go to Income, then open Investments and Savings. This is the area where TurboTax collects details related to brokerage accounts, dividends, interest, and other investment documents, including a 1099 from Vanguard. When you arrive in Investments and Savings, find the option for your investment income and click Start next to it. Depending on your return, TurboTax may show this as a section that has not been entered yet, or it may open a summary page for income you have already added. The important part here is to enter the investment income area where the import option is available. After that, choose Import. TurboTax will display a list of financial institutions that support direct import. From that list, select Vanguard, listed as Vanguard Brokerage. Make sure you choose the brokerage option that matches your 1099 statement so the imported data comes from the correct source. TurboTax will then ask for the information needed to connect your tax document. Enter your account number and the document ID exactly as they appear on your Vanguard 1099 statement. These details are used to locate the correct form for import, so it helps to check the statement carefully before moving forward. If the numbers do not match what is on the document, TurboTax may not be able to find the file. Once both fields are filled in, click Sign In. TurboTax will use that information to retrieve the Vanguard 1099. If the page takes a moment to load, wait for the import to finish before selecting anything else. When the connection is successful, TurboTax will bring in the information from your statement and place it into the investment income section of your return. The next part is reviewing what came in. Look through the imported details and confirm that the information shown in TurboTax matches the Vanguard 1099 statement you are using. This review step matters because it gives you a chance to spot missing entries or mismatched amounts before you continue. If everything looks correct, continue through the prompts and move ahead with filing your tax return. That completes the import process using the details from your Vanguard statement inside TurboTax. Your Vanguard 1099 is now imported into TurboTax and included in your tax return.